love my new toy.
By Mo Willems. Hello, Storytime readers. Piggie has a brand new toy. But when Gerald accidentally breaks the toy, will it break their friendship? Piggie is about to learn that friends and the way you treat other people is more important than things like toys. Hi, Piggie. What are you doing?
Look at my new toy! I love my new toy.
What does it do?
I have no idea.
Maybe it is a throwing toy. I love throwing toys.
Here, try it.
Yes.
Nice throw.
Thanks. Here it comes. I broke your toy.
You broke my toy. My new toy! I am mad and sad. I am mad and sad.
I am sorry.
You are sorry.
Very sorry.
I do not care. My new toy is broken. And you broke it. Cool. You have a break and snap toy. That is a fun toy. Enjoy! Do you want to play with my new toy?
No.
You do not want to play with my new toy?
I do not want to play with your new toy. I want to play with you. Friends are more fun than toys. You're it.
No, you are. Storytime Read Alouds!